Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by collecting the assets you want to show: images, PDF, and live links. Once done, sign into your Google account and go straight to Sites. Google.com/new to create a site. Pick a portfolio or blank template so you have layout and editing speed. Make sure to name the site clearly now because the title auto-populates URLs and navigation. This immediate naming keeps your structure consistent. Don't delay with designs. Start adding a homepage and a projects page right away to build momentum. Now you'll assemble pages and content blocks. Add a projects page, about, and contact. Use the Insert panel to drop headers, text boxes, galleries, and embed Drive files or live sites. This creates interactive examples. Once items are placed, drag sections to reorder and use columns for side-by-side comparisons. Make sure to set consistent background images and font styles across sections to maintain a professional look. Consistent spacing and captions explain context. If you need layout precision, use the grid and preview constantly to confirm spacing. Finish by clicking Publish and choosing a concise site address. You can assign a custom domain later. Once published, set sharing permissions, viewer for public portfolios or editor for collaborators, and copy the link for resumes and social profiles. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache and check Google Drive file permissions. Private files won't appear. Make sure to preview on mobile and desktop, then iterate, update projects, rearrange featured work, and republish quickly so your portfolio always shows the latest accomplishments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.